back at it with another video, Flav Media. Today, we're gonna discuss the unfiltered audio, using this in a certain bridge or the ending of a track. Let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so I have this quick 16 bar section towards the end of the song, and I want to add some dynamics, something that's going to change, something that's just going to do something different than what it's been playing for the last 32 measures or whatever. All right, so you can look at these settings. I'll leave a link in the video somewhere here when I did the unfiltered audio zip using it as a module. I'll leave that here, but we're just going to listen to this bypass. Do you hear anything? Let's play it bypass. Let me take it out. Can you hear it? How about now? So another quick tip, what I did was routed the amp. So now I'm slowing it down. Do this to a number of these knobs here. Amplitude mode, where it's giving you various different amplitudes of where I guess the signal is hitting. And then we have the envelope styles. You can change the envelope styles. I suggest you just go through them when you're working on your mix. And the last is going to be the color modes. It's different colors of saturation that you can put in the signal: bit crush, auto HP, auto LP, high pass, low pass, and saturation. I'm just using the contrast right now, but experiment with these things. These things is here for you to touch, feel, make your own presets. All right, just imagine what you can do with synth parts, you know, and just coming up with something really strange. That's what it's about. Experiment with yourself. Go to great heights. Make sure you click the like and subscribe. We're gonna see you in the next video. Peace.